Good morning, everyone. I hope that we are not having any problems with Schoology and everything is going very well these first few days. I wanted to get on here and answer a question that I'm sure some of you have in Schoology, and that is going to be, what is the math virtual classroom and what is the science virtual classroom? So the virtual classroom is something that I have made for the students. It's going to have a bunch of extras. So resources and websites and games for extra practice. And I do want the students to try to access the math virtual classroom and the science virtual classroom for at least 10 to 15 minutes daily. It is not an assignment, but it will be very good for them to get some extra practice in a fun way. So when you go into your math course and you finish your assignments in your August 12th through 14th folder, once you get done, you're going to be able to go into my math virtual classroom. So I'm going to click on math virtual classroom. This is a fun place to go for extra math practice. There are fun games and videos for you to play after you finish your assignments. Try to spend at least 15 minutes doing an activity here each day. So this is what's going to show, and it's just a cute little classroom. Here's my Bitmoji over on the side, chilling in a beanbag chair in my classroom. So this is an interactive page for your child to use. You can hover over any of these items in the classroom, anything on this cubby. You can hover over me, you can hover over the hundreds chart, over on the board, and you can actually click and it's going to take you somewhere. This one takes me to ABC YA for some number games. Your child can pick and play any of these games that they want. I would suggest that they try to play a game that correlates with what we're learning that week. Click out of the top to go back, and I can click on something different if I want to go into a different activity. Now remember, this is not a requirement, it's just great extra practice and your kids will enjoy it. Same thing with the science class. I'm going to go back to my courses. I'm going to go to my science course, science virtual classroom. Once I'm done with all of my assignments for the day in this folder, I'm going to go to my science virtual classroom. This is a fun place to go. There are fun games and videos for you to play after you finish your assignments. Same thing, you're going to be able to hover over different things and you're going to click on whatever you would like to explore, and it will open up a new page, and this one's going to open up a video for your child to watch. So that's just a little overview on the virtual classroom and what it's used for. It's just used to make this a little bit more relaxing and a little bit more fun for your child. I hope this helps. Don't forget to contact me anytime with questions or concerns. Thank you.